In today's civil engineering, traditional ways of working are often insufficient. While some industries have embraced digital transformation, the move to enhance the process of planning, designing, and building infrastructure continues to lag. Firms still maintain traditional systems and outdated 2D processes, resulting in increasingly complex projects while exacerbating budgetary and schedule pressures. Take road maintenance. Traditional methods to mill and overlay can lead to large overages due to design process limitations. Even worse, roadways can remain out of design tolerance after maintenance, resulting in deficient road conditions and safety concerns. In bridge design, workflows often involve different complex applications that are not highly interoperable with each other, causing significant loss of productivity due to the start and stop nature of project cycles. Digital transformation brings new ways of working by making accurate design data and intelligent design models persistent throughout the project and operations lifecycle. You can now work faster and make more informed decisions. You can put stakeholders at ease with better coordination. And everyone can collaborate with greater design efficiency to dream and generate inspired solutions to complex challenges.